viewers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out so they can ship it to you fast. We are Prime Day ready. Sales are going on now, but it don't start till the 11th for a lot of people, but definitely take advantage of their sales that this company has to offer. And this is going to be boom, boom, boom. We got our good friends over at JOYROOM. Like I said, they got a lot of phone accessories, smartphone accessories, tablet accessories. You name it, they got it. There we go. Snip. And we got here. Ooh. Alright. Here we go, JOYROOM. Let's rock and roll. Let's see. What's this all about? USB cable. Definitely gonna need that. Here we go. Snoop upside your head. Pretty good length. Here we go. Now this is gonna be it's a stand for your iPhone watch. Battery. So that's good they include that. Just make sure you take off this so you can plug it in. And then now, here we go. Super lightweight though. You can watch your movies, charge your phone. And we got there. How do I get it out? There we go. I'll grab mine in a second. And then here's one too. And then this side, this is where your watch goes. Like that, you can have your phone or your watch hanging and banging. So what is there, two? So interesting. Maybe your iPad, AirPods. Alright. Plug this in. I'm gonna grab my stuff. I gotta go grab it. Oh, it slides. That's cool. It's a nice travel size too. Plug this in really quick. Well, let's find my cord. Oh lordy. There we go. Plug that in. JOYROOM. Oh, it even says JOYROOM right on that. If you can see it, but here we go. We got a little RGB action going on. And we got that connected. Got the blue light. That means it's good to go. So all you gotta do next is grab your iPhone, your iWatch, Apple Watch, whatever it's called. It's just been a long week, guys. I'm glad it's Friday. And then, yeah, we got the manual. See? Bada boom. Yeah, we got the AirPods connector, which is in the back right there. And we got USB on the side also. And then phone charging indicator. That's right there. Phone charging connector is right here. Adjustable back plate. We've seen that. Output is the USB. Got this the guard so it won't be sliding everywhere. But look how nice that looks. Really nice. Really comfortable feel too. Feels classy. Alright, let me grab my stuff. I'll be right back. Alright guys. See, it's pretty much dead. And now we're going to see. Shut these lights off. Here we go. Here we go. You can see it's charging. You can see right there. Let me drop it down. You can still have it like that. Yeah, you can see right there. And there we go. 1 second. The only one thing I couldn't find is the watch. But, you know how it goes. Can't find everything. But you just put the watch right there. You can have all this charging with the iPhone. Yeah, it's still good to go. Right there. iPhone, iPod, you name it. They got it. So like I said, they got a lot of cool accessories for your phones, tablets. From, I do believe, Android also. So either or. But this is basically, I would say, more for iPhone. So definitely check them out. Links will be down below. Happy Prime Week. Guys, be safe. Hopefully you guys score some good deals. There's a few I might want to grab, but you never know. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night.